we talk about four gods of music, and they are the god of pop music that have the power to make the people cry when they play the guitar, and the people love his music. There was also the rock music god that had the power to play very difficult music with the electric guitar, and he's very special because he can play very difficult songs. The classic music god is the more wisdom god, and he can play lots of classic instruments like piano or violin. And the last god, the rap god, can talk about the important things of the life, like the difference between poor and rich people, and he thinks that he's the most important god.
Okay, thank you so much, Juan.
You're welcome.